In today's video, I'm going to teach you build your own VPN with NordVPN Meshnet. We're going to turn a single device into your personal encrypted gateway so all your other devices can securely tunnel their internet traffic through it. This gives you the privacy benefits of a VPN without juggling servers, certificates, or complicated network configs, and it also sets you up for secure remote access to your home network. First, pick your endpoint device. This can be a cloud virtual machine, a Raspberry Pi at home, or a spare computer you leave on. Reliability matters here. Choose something that can stay online, has a stable connection, and ideally uses Ethernet for consistency. Think of this endpoint as your always-on doorway to the internet for the rest of your devices. Next, install the NordVPN app or command line tool on that endpoint and sign in. Once you're in, open the settings and enable Meshnet. Meshnet creates a private, encrypted overlay network between your devices so they can see each other directly without exposing anything to the public internet. You should see your endpoint appear as a Meshnet device with a unique identifier you can recognize from your other devices. Now, on that same endpoint, grant traffic routing permissions. In NordVPN, this is a simple toggle that marks the endpoint as a gateway. Turning this on allows your other devices to send all their internet traffic through this machine. It's the key step that transforms your endpoint from a simple peer into a full-fledged personal VPN hub. With the endpoint ready, move to your phone, laptop, or tablet. Install NordVPN, enable Meshnet, and you'll see your endpoint in the Meshnet list. Choose the option to route traffic through that device. From this point on, your device's internet connection will go through your endpoint first, encrypted and isolated from local networks. Keep the endpoint online whenever you want to use it as your gateway. For best results, set your endpoint to auto-start NordVPN on boot and keep the operating system updated. If you're using a cloud VM, pick a region that matches where you want your traffic to appear. At home, a wired connection reduces latency and avoids Wi-Fi hiccups. If anything doesn't connect, make sure the endpoint's firewall allows the NordVPN app and that Meshnet is enabled on both ends. That's it. With Meshnet enabled and routing granted, you've built your own VPN. You'll enjoy private, consistent routing for your devices and simple, secure remote access to your home network resources, all without the usual VPN complexity.